let me be very clear on this. We are only talking about an inventory that is automatically maintained. You cannot do that by hand. People, look at me. This is important. Stop even trying or pretending. You cannot do this manually. Stop doing that. Tell your boss instead, boss, I'm sorry, it doesn't work, and I can even show you why. Okay? You don't have an asset inventory if you come with a bunch of Excel spreadsheets. And now let's look at how asset inventory fits into frameworks such as the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. Unfortunately, they put it in there in a box. And I say unfortunately because this is not quite realistic. It's not quite correct because it would give you the impression, well, it's just another of those little colorful boxes in the NIST CSF. If you think it through, it is much more than just that tiny box, because for many of all these activities within the NIST CSF, you definitely need asset management and an asset inventory. Okay? Because otherwise, none of these other activities have a reasonable chance to be executed successfully. So the reality is when we look at real-world data when it comes to patches, you will be shocked. And I promise you, once that you introduce an asset management system, you will see things like vulnerabilities and patches with new eyes. You will be shocked to learn about all those hundreds of thousands of vulnerabilities that you have not patched. And this is an insight that you get rather quickly, because you just have to look at the patch numbers. And this is something that an asset inventory tells you.